Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back, Tech Help Guys. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a website and to host it for free. Well, for this video, we're going to utilize two applications. One is for building website, and the other one is for hosting the website. So, to build your website, make sure to go to a free builder, a free building website application, so you can utilize either this one, 10web right here, or you can also utilize other website like Wix. Wix is also a good website builder. You can start for free, definitely. Just enter in your account and then automatically you can start building. For 10web, you can utilize AI. So if you're starting and you don't know how to create a website, definitely 10web may be the one for you, because all you have to do is describe your website. So let's say it's a website for Filipino food, then generate, then automatically it starts creating for you. For Wix, however, for Wix, they have multiple templates available. So like this one, for example, right here, they have templates available where you can customize your database. You can also connect your domain. If you already have a domain, you can connect it here. And then uh, here, you can start editing your website as well. So you can start by choosing a template similar to Canva or to other applications. And then from there, you can start creating your own website. As for Web.io, the best thing about this is it creates everything for you already, including the things that you will need right here. It even includes a website name for you already, but you can definitely change this to however you want right there. You can also enhance the descriptions and whatnot. And then this is how it's gonna look like. You can also create like classic material, or if you just want to be minimalistic, you can also edit the fonts, of course. Then from here, just click on generate and automatically it will generate your AI website for you. Just log in your account to view and customize your website. So for Wix, it looks something like this. For 10web, it looks something like this one. Now, for hosting, you can utilize this application. It's called Infinity Free. So you just have to register and automatically you can transfer your website here. So Infinity Free is a website hosting with no time limit and no limit on the number of websites that you can host. So that's good. You can host it with any domain. So you can bring your own domain, or you can even pick a free subdomain from them with 25 extensions. No ads at all, and it's completely free. So the free features comes with these features. You have a 5 GB disk space. You get free domain, subdomain names. You have 400 MySQL database. You have free SSL certificates as well, unlimited bandwidth, and you can, as I mentioned, bring your own domain. You have free DNS service, and you have full HD access support. So these are all the facts they have right here. So yeah, basically once you have entered or logged into Infinity Free, you just have to connect your domain, or your website with them, and automatically they will host it for free. That's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.